Hello everyone, I am Devanandita. Have you ever thought how light is transmitted through a material? Is it like electricity passing through a material or is it like heat passing through a material? This was an amazing question to which I had searched answers for. Now we shall see how light passes through a material and how it was transmitted. In some materials, light is reflected, absorbed, or transmitted through it. In some materials, all these phenomena are seen together. We all know that materials are constructed of atoms and subatomic particles. When visible light is transmitted, if the waves don't have enough energy to excite the electrons within the material, they pass right through the crystallized structure, thus causing transparency. If the waves excite the electrons within the material, the electrons interact with the light, thus causing opacity. In a transparent material, light is absorbed and re-emitted by successive atoms with fixed delays. A solid material will appear transparent if there are no processes that interfere with transmission either by absorption or diffraction of light. Opacity occurs due to reflection, absorption of or deflection of light in the material. Opacity occurs due to reflection, absorption, or diffraction of light in the material at an atomic level. In translucent materials, the delays are variable, so the wave scatters in the material. A translucent material allows light to pass through, but prevents the light from forming images. The object scatters the light when it enters. When the light is scattered, the image loses its sharpness. So, if the materials does not allow the light to pass through, what happens to the light? In opaque materials, the absorbed light is not re-emitted. The energy is thermalized, warming the material. So that means if light does not pass through, it is scattered inside the material due to reflection, absorption, or diffraction of light at the atomic level. This energy will heat up the atoms of the material, which in turn heats up the material. Therefore, when transparency is reduced, light increases the temperature of the material. I wanted to see whether this was true or not, whether the material is affected when light is absorbed, reflected, or diffracted within it. We will do a simple demonstration of this phenomenon. I have kept three glasses of the same thickness here. One is opaque, the next is translucent, and the third is transparent. We have kept the glass materials here in the sun and we are going to check the temperature every 15 minutes. Transparent glass is 35.4 degrees Celsius. This is the summary of the demonstration we conducted. The table shows the initial temperature, temperature after 15 minutes, temperature after 30 minutes of each glasses. The initial temperature of all these glasses were almost same. The temperature of transparent glass after 15 minutes is 38.3 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the translucent glass after 15 minutes is 41.7 degrees Celsius. The temperature after 15 minutes of the opaque glass is H. After above 50 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the transparent glass after 30 minutes is 40.1 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the translucent glass after 30 minutes is 42.1 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the opaque glass is the highest. It is above 50 degrees Celsius. The transparent glass shows the lowest temperature as light passes through it, and the opaque glass shows the highest temperature as it heats up due to the interaction of light with its electrons. Thank you.